Hello. So today we are going to talk about financial management. So first thing, you have to have a plan. And plan means cut your coat according to your clothes. So actually this is kind of fundamental that you spend based on your income. So in your life, sometime you can earn a lot of money, sometime you can earn less money. So if you have, let's say, if you earn $100, then you must not spend more than $90. Also, in your budget, you have to put your fundamental cost. For example, how much, let's say per month you earn, let's say $3,000. Now, if you pay, let's say $1,500 rent, this is one of the major costs, mortgage and car payment. So that's you have to subtract. And then let's say after your major cost, you have $500. In this $500, also you have to try to save some money. So this is number one, that you have to have a plan. Second thing is, do not buy anything if it is not necessary. Many times it is some people's habit. When they see this big sale on sale, they get crazy to buy something that look like very cheap. No, do not buy it. First thing is, if you don't need it, you should not buy. And if you cannot afford it, don't buy. And as I said in the other video, this is kind of my fundamental principle. 3 things: what you want to do, what you need to do, what you can do. In life, you have to remember all the time. Sometimes a lot of things we want to do, but maybe you are not capable of doing. The financial capability is also important. So if you do not have money, don't buy it. Also, maybe you have money and you want to buy, but you don't need it. So look at your necessity, look at your capability, your desire. And then another thing is, in financial management, your friend circle is very important. Some may say that what is that has to do with the financial management? Yes, because a lot of time we do things because of peer pressure. Our friends do it, so I have to do it. Or maybe my neighbor, my friend circle, what they're going to say. So that's why you have to be careful picking your friends. You don't want to be too much ambitious in terms of friendship. If you are in middle class, you don't want to have a rich friend. You can have smart friends or people those who have qualities, but you don't want to show luxury. And then another important thing is, whatever your income level is, you should try to save some money, even $1. But it's kind of habit. Actually, I personally, on that one time when I had really very low income, and I realized, I appreciate one of the banker. She told me that in a bank account, even though I do online banking, but 1% of money, even I can't see it unless I go to the bank and go to talk to the banker, and then they will show me. That made me control, because of course when you have money, sometimes you say, okay, I have money, I'll buy it. No, try to save some money. So savings, you should have something. Even as I said, even let's say minimum $1, but you should have a habit of saving some money. And another very interesting and very important part of your financial management is managing your credit card. Long time ago, I was watching Oprah show, and Oprah said that, she said literally, put your credit card in the fridge. You can interpret many ways. The point is, yes, even you don't need, if you should have a credit card, but you don't have to use it. If you use it, pay it right away before even end of the month. You do not want to pay it next month. Sometimes a lot of business people say, okay, you don't have to pay 3 months, 6 months, 3 years. No, don't do it, because you have to pay. And also, sometimes if you miss the payment, then it's going to be trouble. So, totally, my advice is never buy anything if you don't have money. So, buying through credit card is basically you don't have money and you are making loan. That's not a good idea. So also you need to build your credit, and build credit means, like, for example, pay. When I started my credit card, even sometimes I say, let's say I bought it today, I have even almost a month to pay, no interest, but still, just I don't want to forget. So maybe I'll even at the night time I'll pay it from my account. Even sometime I put it direct payment. So the point is, you have to watch your credit card, and trust me, if you really want to do something financially, you need to have a good credit. And to have a good credit, you should not be late in payment. And another what I did actually, I made a Excel sheet. Let's say in my Excel sheet, this payment, house payment, phone bill, mortgage, and then car loan, and then even, let's say, what is the due date, even electricity bill. So that will help you to see what and how much total coming expense and how much you have monthly income. That will help you to manage your money. Another thing, manage your house rent. What that means is, usually in the immigrant community, or I have seen in a lot of immigrants in general, Hispanic or even Indo-Pak people, they have a combined family. So in the family, let's say 5-6 people lives in one family, or sometimes more than 6-7 people. Now, for American people, it might sound a little different or weird, but whatever your philosophy, perspective, I'm not going to talk about it, but they're saving money. Let's say in one house, they have 8 people lives, and this 8 people, only 2 kids, or 3 kids maximum. All other 5 people, they earn money, they work. So, but everybody, only one payment, one house. And that's another aspect of family. But anyway, today now my topic is not family. So to save money, if you can live with a family, parent, in American culture it is kind of doesn't look good if you are adult, if you are more than 18 and you still live with mom or parent. Sometimes some people humiliate you. It's up to you. But my point is, if you want to save money, combined family helps to save money. Yes, when you have enough money, save some money, and you can go buy your own house. That's, I would say, my perspective, that you can live with your parent till you have some money, and then you can start a down payment. And so basically, point here is you have to watch your rent, because rent is a big amount. And then you should cut your extra. Do not, even sometime psychologically, that's why even though we use credit card, I would say sometimes pay the cash, because when you pay cash, psychologically you see how much money you are spending. So in many ways, try to cut your any kind of extra expenses. And then another thing is big expense is food. So try to learn how to cook and try to avoid restaurant. So if you learn how to cook, you can save a lot of money. And then also this is healthy. So this, you basically, I want to give you an idea that try to buy fresh food and cook yourself and avoid eating out or restaurant. And then transportation, same way. Of course, if you can afford car, if you need car, then car can save you money. But if you don't have car, you can have public transportation. You can use bus. You don't have to use taxi. You don't have to use gas. Anyway, I'm talking about saving money. So public transportation, you can save money. Uh, then also your insurance. Also, you have to shop around because insurance people, this is their business. So you have to shop around that you have to find the lowest insurance. And the phone bill. I know many people or several people, they go even they have a good income, but they go prepaid. Usually prepaid actually I see they're cheaper. So if you use some prepaid phone, prepaid services. But anyway, bottom line is you can save money by your phone bill as well. And then entertainment, meaning is if you don't need cable, yes, you can survive without cable. If you cannot afford it, if it is too much for you, you don't need cable. Trust me. It's up to you. I'm just suggesting you, if you want to save money, let's say you want to watch movie or TV show, yeah, you can have for TV. If you want to use TV, you can have what is that called, antenna or something. So you don't have to have pay monthly. And if you want a movie or something, you can watch some other ways. The point here is you have to look at how to save money. Too much entertainment. A lot of time we spend money actually for no reason. And we don't enjoy it even. We don't use it. That's it for today. I would repeat again. Manage. Manage means do not spend more than your income. Do not have credit card debt. If you use credit card, pay it back right away. That's my suggestion. So that's how you can manage money. Thank you.